Hello lovely people, for this week's tricks video I'm going to do the vertical tuck. This is one of those poses that look a lot more difficult to do than it actually is. The exception of that is if you have some wrist sensitivity. This is a kind of pose where you're going to want to be really mindful of your wrists. Let's get started. I begin this by placing the end of the fabric within the V of my handle collet between my thumb and my first finger. And this is going to serve to brace me in my position. In the meantime, I'm using my other hand to pull down on the hammock. And it's also going to serve to take some pressure off my wrist. And what I did is I more or less just jumped into the fabric so that supporting hand in the fabric between it and my hip is bracing me. We'll see that again in slow motion. And see, from this angle you can see better how the fabric is serving to support some of my body weight. Some things to keep in mind when doing this pose. This, if you're not doing it properly, it can be a lot of pressure on your wrist. So be very mindful of this as you practice.